Welcome back to Healthy Hub Daily, your home for deep, actionable summaries of life-changing health books. Today, we begin a powerful new series on one of the most talked about topics in modern wellness, gut health. And our guide on this journey is board-certified gastroenterologist Dr. Bulsiewicz, author of the best-selling book, Fiber Fueled. Why gut health matters. Let's start with the truth. Your gut isn't just where you digest food, it's the command center of your entire body. Inside, you live trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses, collectively called the gut microbiome. These tiny tenants don't just help you break down food. They support your immune system, regulate inflammation, influence your mood and brain health, help you maintain a healthy weight, protect you from chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Dr. B calls them your microbial partners, and how well you treat them determines how well they treat you. The root cause of modern gut issues. So why are so many people today dealing with bloating, gas, constipation, IBS, food sensitivities, and autoimmune disorders? According to Fiber Fueled, one root cause is clear: a lack of dietary fiber and diversity. Most people today eat highly processed, low-fiber, repetitive diets. The average American gets only about 15 grams of fiber per day, but our ancestors thrived on 10 times that amount. This modern fiber deficiency is literally starving our microbiome. When your gut bacteria don't get enough fiber, the good ones die off and harmful ones take over. That imbalance is called dysbiosis, and it's the beginning of so many chronic health problems. The healing power of fiber. Here's what makes fiber so powerful, and why Dr. B calls it the fuel your gut needs to thrive. Fiber passes through your digestive system undigested until it reaches your colon. There, your gut bacteria ferment the fiber and create short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs. These SCFAs are anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, and even anti-cancer compounds. They nourish your gut lining, reduce leaky gut, support mental health, protect against colon cancer, balance blood sugar, and strengthen your immune defense. In short, when you eat more fiber, your gut bacteria reward you with health at every level of your body. The plant-based microbiome solution. So how do you get more fiber into your diet? The right way? Dr. B's approach is rooted in diversity. Not just more fiber, but more types of plants. He introduces the idea of plant points, where each unique plant you eat in a week earns you a point. Your goal? At least 30 different plant foods per week. That includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, herbs and spices. Each plant brings its own unique set of fibers and polyphenols that feed different species of gut bacteria. The more variety you eat, the more diverse your microbiome becomes, and diversity equals resilience and health. What about gas, bloating, and sensitivity? One common fear people have when eating more fiber is gas and bloating. Dr. B addresses this head-on. He explains that your gut is like a muscle, and just like working out, you have to start slow and build up. If you've been eating a low-fiber diet, your gut isn't ready to handle a sudden overload. So he recommends gradually increasing fiber, staying hydrated, and rotating new plant foods in week by week. You're not broken. Your gut just needs to be trained and nourished back to balance. Key takeaway from part 1. The message of fiber. Fueled is simple but powerful. The single greatest predictor of a healthy gut microbiome is the diversity of plants in your diet. You don't need extreme detoxes or expensive supplements. You need real food in all its colors, textures, and fiber-rich glory. This is just part 1 of the Fiber Fueled series. In the next videos, we'll explore how to heal leaky gut, why food intolerances aren't what they seem, the role of fermented foods and prebiotics, and how to transition to a fiber-fueled lifestyle that's delicious, sustainable, and healing. If this content brought you value, please like this video, share it with someone who struggles with gut issues, and subscribe to Healthy Hub Daily for more book-based wisdom that empowers your health naturally. Until next time, remember, heal your gut, fuel your life,